Improving performance of TCP in managed employing Smart Acknowledgement Distributed Channel Access (SADCA) scheme. By K. Praveen Kumar Rao and T. Senthil Murugan. The proposed cross-layer-based TCP protocol and Smart Acknowledgement Distributed Channel Access (SADCA) offer significant improvements in managing congestion and boosting TCP efficiency in mobile ad hoc networks (MANETs). By minimizing packet transmission delays and streamlining acknowledgement processes, this approach enhances overall network performance. These advancements are particularly beneficial for the scientific community, as they ensure more reliable and faster data transmission in wireless networks. This is crucial for applications like real-time data collection, remote sensing, and collaborative research projects. The working of TCP on wireless networks is the most difficult issue as a result of arbitrary misfortunes and ACK impedance. TCP likewise experiences execution declination as far as making postponement and overhead in the system due to the poor attributes of the wireless channel. Keeping in mind the end goal is to beat these issues and to enhance the performance of TCP in MANETs. The congestion control in multi-hop mobile ad hoc networks using a cross-layer-based TCP protocol approach. The mechanism triggers congestion whenever the channel occupied ratio (COR) reaches a maximum threshold value and the received signal strength is less than a minimum threshold value. Following it, the congestion control scheme controls the data sending rate of the sender by determining the available bandwidth, delay of its link, and COR. Further, a fair resource allocation scheme is put forward. A proposed Smart Acknowledgement Distributed Channel Access (SADCA) uses a new access category (AC) and assigns the greatest priority to dataless TCP acknowledgement packets before relegating them. In this way, there can be a reduction in the delay between packet transmission and instantaneous confirmation of the packet. The delay window size can also be balanced with the aim of improving TCP performance by taking into account several parameters such as transmission rate, number of jumps, and channel occupied ratio (COR). Thus, the proposed plan helps in staying away from any sort of postponement and overhead to send the TCP acknowledgements. The delay during the transmission of the packet is decreased and the packet is recognized instantly. To expand the performance, the delay window size can be balanced for improvement purposes by considering the parameters, for example, transmission rate, number of jumps, and COR. The proposed scheme improves delay and overhead to send TCP acknowledgement. Further, to expand the performance, the delay window size can be balanced for improvement purposes by considering the parameters, for example, transmission rate, number of jumps, and COR. Thus, the proposed scheme improves the delay and overhead of sending TCP acknowledgement. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.